Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the Do Not Disturb feature on Android 16 with One UI 8.5. Scroll up to go to your apps, scroll over, now go to Settings. Under Settings, scroll down and go to Notifications. At the bottom, go to Do Not Disturb. It says, Do Not Disturb. Do Not Disturb mutes all calls, notifications, and other alerts except for those you choose to allow. Now you're going to set all the settings the way that you want them for Do Not Disturb, and then turn on Do Not Disturb. The first one I'm going to set is for how long. It's currently set to until I turn it off, so I'm going to click on that. You can select until I turn it off. You can set a number of hours for it to turn off after, or you can set it to ask every time. It's currently set to until I turn it off. If you switch it to 1 hour and you press the plus sign, you can bump this up anywhere from 1 hour to 12 hours. And you can do 45 minutes if you go down, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and that's the lowest that you can do. I'm going to set it back until I turn it off. So I'm going to click on that and then click OK. You can also set it to go by schedule. I have one currently on here. It says sleeping every day from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. Now I'm not going to set it to that because that's not even the time I wake up at. And that's not the time I go to bed either, so that's not very helpful for me. But if you have a set sleeping schedule that you want to set it for, all you have to do is flip the switch to the right to turn it on. From here, you can change the name of the schedule, you can set it for the days of the week that you want, and you can set the time. Or you can delete this schedule. I'm actually going to go ahead and delete the schedule because it doesn't suit me. So I'm going to click on Delete. Delete this schedule, cancel or delete. So I'm going to click on Delete. So now under schedule, it just says add schedule, allowed during Do Not Disturb. So we have calls and messages, app notifications, and alarms and sounds. So if I click on calls and messages, at the top it says allow during Do Not Disturb, and it's currently set to allow only selected contacts. If I click on calls and messages, you can set it to allow only selected contacts or allow all except selected contacts. I'm going to leave it on allow only selected contacts. And then under that you can add contacts. It says calls and messages from contacts you select will be allowed while Do Not Disturb is turned on. And then under also allow we have calls, which is currently set to all. I'm going to click on calls. And you can select all, contacts only, favorite contacts only, or none. I'm going to go ahead and select none so that I don't get any call notifications at all when it's on Do Not Disturb. Under that we have repeat callers. It says allow calls when they are received from the same phone number more than once within 15 minutes. So you can leave that feature off or you can turn it on. To turn it on, flip the switch to the right. And then we have messages, which is currently set to all. So I'm going to click on that. Again, you can select all, contacts only, favorite contacts only, or none. And I'm going to go ahead and select none. Once you have everything set the way that you want it, click the back arrow. Now I'm going to change alarms and sounds. It's currently set to alarms and media, so I'm going to click on alarms and sounds. It says allow during Do Not Disturb. And you have the option for alarms, media sound, touch sounds, calendar events, and reminders. Right now, touch sounds, calendar events, and reminders are currently turned off on my phone, and alarms and media sound are currently turned on. And at the bottom it says when Do Not Disturb is on, sound and vibration will be muted except for the items you allow above. So I'm going to leave media sound on, and I'm going to turn off alarms, so I'm going to flip the switch to the left. And then go back again. Now I'm going to go to hide notifications, and it says when the screen is off, hide full screen notifications, and that feature is currently turned on. You can turn it off if you want by flipping the switch to the left. but I'm going to leave it on. When the screen is on, you can hide app icon badges, hide from notification panel, don't show pop-up notifications, or hide status bar icons. And currently, don't show pop-up notifications is turned on, and all the rest of the features are turned off. I'm going to go ahead and turn on hide from notification panel, and I'm also going to turn on hide app icon badges. Now go back again, and now we're going to turn on do not disturb. To do that, flip the switch to the right, and then go back again and again. So that is how you use the Do Not Disturb feature on Android 16 with One UI 8.5. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. And I will see you in my next video.